So if you're buying your new BMW at a dealership and they offer you a paint protection film package, should you get it done at the dealership and work it into your financing, or should you take the car home and take it to your favorite shop? Well, that answer depends. So there's two ways that dealerships can do paint protection film add-ons. First is they use a shop like us. They partner up with a trusted, reliable company that does great work. They bring the cars to that shop, or that shop sends technicians and they go do the work on site, something like that. The other option is they go in-house. Now, I'm sure there are dealerships out there that have some great in-house programs, but the vast majority of the ones that we see, if they end up going in-house, they end up using their detail guys or basically whoever's around that can hold a squeegee with very minimal training. Maybe they have a week or two of training, and then they say, okay, go ahead and do this thing. And so what we end up with is stuff like this. So this BMW came to us from a local dealership, not Swickley BMW, by the way. We do Swickley BMW's work, and I promise it does not look anything like this. They did a partial front end, which that's fine. If, you know, it's a preload product, something that's relatively inexpensive, but then they have no wrapped edges. And look at this gap right on the front edge of the hood. It's probably going to catch lots and lots of rocks. They got tighter over here, and then whoops, they got a little too tight without wrapping, and so that's collecting dirt and turning white. And we're not perfect. We have to deal with stuff like that every once in a while that we might have to trim off. The alignment on this side is pretty good, but again, why not wrap that edge? We wrap every single edge on a hood, every edge that's possible to wrap, we do that. Then you've got the fender tips, and they're not horrible. Alignment could be a little bit better on these, but the really fun part was the door cups. So they make a door cup pattern that fits this very nicely. It fits inside of here, and it matches the curvature of the actual cup on the body line. Instead, this is what you pay for at the dealership. It's a little tiny piece with two giant relief cuts that are going to collect dirt, and your fingernails are going to clip that relief cut and end up peeling that bottom piece away over time. It's just astonishing to me. This is the level of work that some dealerships put out. So if you're going to get paint protection film on your car from the dealership, try to find out who are they using. Ask if you can see another car that has it. Now, in this case, I believe this was preloaded. So you really don't have a choice. They just have this on the car already. It's added to the invoice. I think this one was a $500 addition. And so I guess if that is the case for that dealership, there's really no way to get out of it. Maybe you can tell them to take it off the invoice. All we wanted to do is show you the difference between what a quality installation is and what some dealerships are giving you.